Okay, so I got these from the 99-cent store, and they're these like really cute red and white tinsely little wreaths. It's a mini wreath, and I thought I've always wanted to make my kitchen into like a peppermint candy wonderland. So that is what I'm attempting, and I'm gonna hang them on all the cabinets. I'm gonna hang about 5, I think. So I got this candy cane stab, this peppermint ball stab, candy cane pipe cleaner, one of these, this is $1.25, and it came with like 10 of these really cute red and pink and white ornaments, all glittery, and they're small. And I'm gonna just put them in this little wreath, real simple, stab them in here, tie them in with the pipe cleaner, call it a day. I'm looking forward to having a sweet kitchen. It's a little hard to see with all the tinsel, but eventually you get the pipe cleaner through and twist. There's that. And then I have these like parallel, so they're right across from each other. So I'm just gonna stab the peppermints in. Again, just like tuck the wire through, because it's easy to hide stuff with this tinsel, which is really cool. So you just twist, tie it in. That one I don't even think needs a pipe cleaner. It twisted in pretty good. Spread them out. Okay. And then in terms of color coordinating, I'm keeping the white ornament away from the white candy cane. And the red ball, I'm keeping away from the red ball of peppermint. So therefore, the pink ball is going right next to the peppermints. So, like so. Let's put a pipe cleaner through. Grab a spot and just kind of just randomly putting them in. Nothing measured, nothing crazy. Pull it through and twist. Here's the final product. My candy cane's kind of like falling off, so I'm gonna hot glue that guy in. But here is the wreath. Ah, my dream is coming true. I've always wanted to have peppermint mini wreaths in my kitchen, and I think I added it up, and this whole wreath cost $5 and took about 15 minutes to make each one.